All right, today I'm going to be reviewing this heavy-duty stainless steel meat grinder made by Aaobosi. And look, this meat grinder is a top seller on Amazon. This has 3 different types of grinding plates. You can do fine, medium, or kind of like a coarse grinding. And it also has attachments for sausages of different sizes. So if you wanted to make like chorizo or any kind of other sausages, it's perfect for that. And it also has a noob attachment, which is pretty awesome. This thing puts together very, very easily. And aside from that, it's very powerful. It has 3,000 watts of power. And honestly, it's not very loud considering how strong this thing is. And aside from that, this thing cleans very easily just with some warm water and some soap. What I did like about it was that the parts weren't sharp, so I don't have to worry about cutting my fingers or anything like that, and it's stored away easily. This is definitely one of my favorite meat grinders so far, and you see how easily it cut up this chuck roast? Well, look, I'm going to be making smash burgers with this chuck roast, so I'm pretty happy about this meat grinder, and I definitely recommend you guys purchase one.